Hello guys, and in today's video I will be going through how Google Chrome browser works. Alright, and stay till the end of this video, because at the end of this video I will be showing you guys the Google Chrome experiments menu and talking about what it is and how you will get the benefit of it. First things first, let me show you how to customize this area right here. Click pencil and you can pick different backgrounds. You can pick shortcuts, my shortcuts, or most visited sites, and you can disable them if you want. This is maybe new because I didn't got to play around with it. I'm actually very rarely visit this menu, so I don't know if this was here or not. Please comment if you what version you're on, and if you're on another version, which I will show you guys later. Then you can pick my shortcuts, and shortcuts are curated by you, and shortcuts are suggested based on website you visit often. I will pick most visited sites because I like it, and you can pick different themes. Let me pick greenish because I like greenish, and let me click on done. And you can also open apps menu. Let me talk first about customization. So go to apps, which is right here, web store, and if you can't find apps menu for some reason, your Chrome browser doesn't have it, simply visit this URL, chrome.google.com/webstore, and then click on themes, and you have all these themes that you can have. Look at that. They even have macOS theme right there. If you're into superhero, then you can have superhero style of theme. Into the forest kind of guy, pick what you love. Let me show you what I have. How to see what I have. My extensions and apps. I don't know if I can. Maybe I cannot show you guys what I have, but you saw that I have black theme installed, and it says black right here. And since we are already talking about this home page, let me talk about Google Apps Launcher. Here's your apps, and here are all the Google applications. If you want, you can click more from Google and learn more about them. Here is your Google account. Here is your, if you want to search images, you can click images and look images, and let's search for bicycle. Bicycle, and look what it pulls up. All different bicycles. So if you want to see different pictures, let me try another one so you guys can see that it Definitely post images. Let me try flowers. Flowers. Bam! The flowers. Pretty neat. And if you want to go to your Gmail inbox, you can do it as well from here. And here you can see my different extensions. I have Chrome Remote Desktop enabled because it's very useful. I can simply pull out my phone from my pocket and navigate if I'm, for example, laying in bed before when when laying in bed and my PC is turned on, I can simply navigate on my phone to the start menu and turn my PC off. Here I have my bookmarks, and I'm also took some bookmarks away. Here is your letter G, which shows you that you are using Google search. And if you want to add bookmarks, you simply hit the star. And if you want to remove bookmark, you simply click the star again and click on remove, and it removes it from. And if you want to refresh, click refresh. And now let me dive in a little bit more into the settings. If you want to create new tab, you can do it two ways. You can click on this plus and it will instantly open new tab, or you can go into the ellipsis and click on new tab. If you want new window, you can right click on in here and new window, or you can go here and new window. Here you want to go incognito, you can go here and it will open in incognito, which is pretty cool. Here's your history, downloads, and bookmarks. Here's your zoom if you want to zoom more. I don't know if recording catches it, but you can click plus and minus and zoom in or out. You can print if you want to, if you're on Google Docs and want to print a document, you can Control P or and do it using keyboard shortcut, or you can go here and click on print. You can cast, and if I cast, it will show on my TV and it will duplicate my screen to my TV. Find, it will let you find what's on the screen. It's very useful to have. Toggle reader mode. Let me. If you have article on the screen, you can open it that way. If you want to save this page, you can do it. You can create a shortcut. You can go to developer tools. Which is right here. This is developer tools. If you want to really dive into the how Chrome browser works, and you can edit, copy, cut, copy, paste. Here's your settings, help, and you can exit the Chrome completely. Let's go to settings, and here is all the settings, and autofill. If you want to jump, you can press right here. This is right here. This is your index. Now hovering my mouse over the index. So if you want to quickly jump to a particular section, you can do it as well. You can expand the index, and here is your index. And you and Google, and it's syncing to my Google account. You can sync your Google services. You can manage your Google account. You can change your Chrome name and picture. You can import bookmarks and settings. And here's your autofill. Autofill is really important. Make sure you pick up your passwords to Google Chrome browser so you will not be in panic every time you want to log in. Payment methods. You can, if you're using Windows Hello, you can even confirm cards faster. It's really cool. Let me see if the Windows Hello is available. No, I don't see the option right there. Windows Hello. Microsoft push the update so I can use Windows Hello when autofilling passwords in Chrome. Anyway, privacy and security. You can clear browsing data, site settings, and here's your more. You can play around if you want. Themes. You can show home button, which is really useful. And if you press it, it would redirect you to a new tab page, or let me show you. Let me let me let me see. Let's let's ask it to redirect us to, I don't know, to Chrome Web Store. Control C. Where is it? Control V and hit on enter. Super. And now when we go home and press on home page, it redirects us to our home page, which we set in the settings. Pretty cool. You can customize fonts and font size. I already showed you page zoom, but you can also do it from here. I prefer 100% zoom. You can change your search engine. Let's change it to this one. I will try it. You can set your browser at your default, so if you ask your virtual assistant to search, it will use the default browser. On startup, when you open the new tab page, it will open new tab page, continue where you left off, or open a specific page or set of pages. I will pick continue where I'm left off because it's very useful. And advanced languages, downloads, you can change where downloads are located. Printing, you can change your printers and set up Google Cloud Print. Captions, add accessibility features. You can mess around with Chrome Web Store for that. System, hardware acceleration. For Chrome to run smoothly, I recommend it to turn it on. And this disable, and open computer's proxy settings. Reset and clean up. If you have issues, you can restore settings to their original defaults and clean up computer. Clean up computer tool doesn't work. You can mess around, but for most part it doesn't work. And it shows you keyboard shortcuts right here, by the way. I forgot to mention. And now for the last part, experiments menu. To get to it, let me show you how to get to it. Simply open new tab. It's behaving weird. Let me change it to Google. It started behaving weird. Let me change Google. Oh, when you open new tab, just search for Chrome dot double dot slash flags. Right like that. Chrome dot slash flags. No additional text is required to get to that menu. And if you entered everything correctly, it will show experimenting bottle right on the left to your request. And when you hit on enter, it will redirect you to the experiments menu. And this is Google Experiments menu. You can enable or disable features, and you can enable to focus mode. You can enable pull to refresh gesture, and you can look at that. You can enable SMS features as well. Look at that. There's so many of them. You can enable Google Payments card saving checkbox. There are so many of them. You can simply play around and see which you have, which does not. And you can also check out what you have unavailable for your system. I don't have availability on my platform. And you can also sign up for beta channels that they have. And you need to install Google Chrome beta. And I already have it right here. So I already signed up. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please subscribe. You can do it by subscribing under this video, or I will leave a tiny bubble which pops up. You can subscribe that way. And I'm also will leave my latest video right to the side, so you guys can go and check it out. That's all for today. I will see you guys later.